Animal cruelty. What is animal cruelty? Animal cruelty is when someone generates distress to an animal. Animal cruelty is a global issue due to the global prevalence of factory farming. Factory farming contributes to widespread animal cruelty, with billions of animals enduring cramped and unsanitary conditions. The contributing factors of animal cruelty include a lack of empathy, a lack of education in earlier life, and extreme childhood abuse. 80% of current animal welfare legislation comes from EU law. Animal cruelty increases factory farming production to unnaturally high levels, and unnaturally high levels have devastating effects on the environment. Surveys suggest that those who intentionally abuse animals are predominantly men under 30, and those involved in hoarding are more likely to be women over 60. What is animal testing? Animal testing is when an animal is forced to undergo a test that is likely to hurt them, meaning that animals are unwillingly participating in a test that could certainly injure them. However, animal testing is also a straightforward way of discovering how animal anatomy functions. By using animals for animal testing, individuals can learn the functions of animals and hereafter the functions of humans. Vitro models and organ-on-a-chip technology are used in animal testing. These technologies allow researchers to stimulate human physiology using cultured cells, reducing the use of animals in preclinical testing. Fortunately, a ban against animal testing was brought into the UK in 1998. However, in 2023, the British government allowed animal testing for makeup ingredients, and more than 80 British brands said that they were dismayed. Some of the worst animal abuse occurs during handling, transport, and slaughter. When animals are mistreated, the science that they produce becomes unreliable, meaning that when animals are experimented on, their bodily functions stop working properly. Due to animal testing, a disease in the US called poliomyelitis is no longer a threat. This is due to scientists administering injections into mice and monkeys. 60% of all animals are used in biological experimentation, meaning that researchers are inspecting the results of drugs on animals. Due to animal cruelty, the police have recorded a 21% rise in the number of dog attacks in England and Wales. Due to these dog attacks, there has been a 50% increase in hospital admissions over 10 years. For owning a dangerous dog, people can be imprisoned for 14 years. The attacks are happening because of the way the dogs are bred, trained, and managed. Individuals are frequently dying because of dog attacks. Bite wounds can frequently source meningitis and then lead to death. On the 21st of October 2024, a Welsh dog walker was mauled to death by a dog. Some dogs are easily managed, some dogs take some training, and then some dogs cannot be trained, meaning that each dog breed behaves differently. On the 14th of October 2024, an XL bully was put down after a fatal attack. These attacks produce a spike in pet ownership. On the 9th of October 2024, a 12-year-old girl who lived in Gwent was injured in a dog attack. In China, the commercial slaughter and sale of dogs has been banned. There is a festival in China called the Yulin Dog Meat Festival, and throughout it, more than 10,000 dogs are consumed, meaning that individuals participate in a festival and in which dogs are slaughtered for amusement. Officials in China have also introduced a clampdown on stray, unregistered, and large dogs. This is due to the fact that dogs in China are being stolen and then being killed. Most of the animals used for consumption are either stolen pets or strays. This implies that individuals are not following the law prohibiting the mistreatment of animals in China. Government authorities in China organise brutal killing campaigns in an attempt to reduce stray animal populations. This implies that officials in China slaughter animals without stunning them. Individuals in the UK need a certificate of competence to be able to slaughter an animal. Individuals in the UK also need a COC from the Food Standards Agency to handle animals before they're restrained. To receive a UK COC, individuals need to provide evidence of training. People in the UK do not need a license to kill animals at home, as long as they own the animal and they kill it on their own property. Individuals in the UK can be prosecuted if they're not killing an animal for themselves or their immediate family who live on their property to eat. A UK citizen must always stun an animal before killing them. The UK meat industry is facing a major crisis because there is a shortage in carbon dioxide gas. Gas chambers are commonly used in the slaughtering process for pigs and for birds. In summary, this video has discussed the drawbacks and benefits of animal testing and explained that the different aggressiveness of dogs depends on the breed.